Okay, to save time, I got some olive oil on here, put my garlic pepper on there. That's my SPG. We're going to cover all of it. I already did the other side, so I'm just showing you this side. After that, we're going to add some red chili powder. Love red chili powder on our meat. Doesn't add too much spice. Just gives it some good color, a little bit of zip. Plus the paprika. Some paprika is a little warm, but it adds some nice color to it. And then we're going to add some Montreal steak seasoning, just a little bit on top. And then we're going to get these out to the grill. Hey, I'm Kevin with ManKitchenRecipes. Today I'm going to do some beef back ribs. We're doing a mess of them. We got a few people coming over tonight, and I'll show you here. All we got on these, as you saw in the preparation part, put a little olive oil on them, garlic pepper, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of red chili, spice it up a little bit and give it some of that nice good color. I've got my Pit Boss Pro Series 1100 warming up. 225, it's rolling at 230 at the moment. And we're just going to get these on here and we're going to let them go for about 3 hours at 225. We'll check them, we'll spritz them. Not 100% sure I'm going to wrap them today, but we'll see as the day goes on. Okay, let's get these ribs on here. I wanted to mention too, some of these ribs are small. At the farmer's market, they cut these ribs off of the ribeye, and you'll buy a pack like this right here, and then you'll get it home and open it up, and it'll have this extra piece right underneath it. So, pretty awesome. We've got a lot of ribs here to smoke up today. Let's get them on there. Rib side down. One tray. The other tray. There we go. Look at those. Those are beautiful. I thought about putting them on the top rack. That's why it's still in there. Maybe remove that so it'll make it easier to spritz. So we're gonna let these go and we won't check them for at least a couple hours. Okay, we are 2.5 hours in. It smells amazing. Oh, look at that. Oh man. Give them no, they're already rolling at 199. I might be near a bone there. Yeah, they're up there already. Nice. Okay, they're looking good. I still haven't decided if I want to wrap or don't wrap. I think I'll go get some foil and go ahead and wrap these up. Got here some Better Than bouillon. I got about a tablespoon and a half, a couple cups of water, and a couple tablespoons of butter. I'm going to throw this in the microwave and get it all mixed up. And this is going to go in the foil with our ribs when we're wrapping. So we went 3 minutes. Stirred it up to get that butter to go ahead and melt the rest of the way. Nice and warm. Get this out there and get the ribs wrapped. Okay, so we got our Better Than bouillon and butter sauce right there. Get gloved up here so that we can pull these ribs off without burning our fingers, burning our hands. It's a lot easier to do it this way. Alright, so take off one of those ribs. Look at that. Oh man, that looks good. We'll throw the little side rib in there with it. Get this one done first. So we're just going to pour some of this bouillon and butter mixture in here. Just help a little bit of moisture. Help break down some of that fat that's still in there. Okay. Throw a double wrap on this one. Just like that. Okay, now you can see me. All right, we got this one wrapped up. I'm gonna get it back onto the smoker. I'm gonna get the other, I'll wrap up the smaller pieces together and then the other one, so we'll have 3 bundles all together. And we'll let it ride for another hour and a half to 2 hours. Up. Get that ready. 3 bundles. We're gonna let them go for about an hour, hour and a half. See you back when we're ready to take them out. Okay, so I'm about to take these ribs off. We'll take a look at them, but I just wanted to say I did one of these beef rib videos about 5 months ago during the winter. I sauced them. Today we're not putting sauce on them, so this makes this video a little bit different. We're going a little longer, wrapping them about the same, a little bit longer, hour and a half. But anyway, we're about ready to get these off, so check this out. Glove up. We're gonna take these ribs off, give them a look. Bending really nice. You want to look? Get your camera down here. All right. These unwrapped. Oh man, look at that. Can you see that? Oh, look at that. Bones, we're gonna lose those bones, it looks like. Turn those over. Yep, those feel really good. So what we're gonna do is let these rest. I'm not gonna put them back in the smoker. Look at that. Oh boy, these are gonna be good. Okay, well, there's one set of ribs. I can set those over there. We'll get the other ones out. See how we did with these. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Look at those. Is that beautiful or what? Love that. So good. One more. Huh, I wonder how these are gonna look. Okay guys, it's like opening Christmas presents. Oh man, look at that. Woo! I want to save that juice if I can. Look at those. Beautiful. Those came out great. Nice and tender. I don't need to probe these. Look at that. Here's that one. I bet that one's got my name on it. Let's see how hot it is. I know it's hot, but I don't care. Let's just take a bite of it. It's gonna be hot. Oh man. You know these are good when you bite into them and they just fall apart. Oh my God. Okay. I didn't let this rest and it's this good. I'm gonna let these rest and we're gonna cut them and get ready to serve them. All right. So there's been a change in plans. We're gonna end up taking these ribs over to our in-laws and enjoy them over there. So I'm going to cut them up. I'm going to get them in a pan so that we can take them. Just stand them right up. Just cut through these like butter. Oh man. Look at that smoke ring. Oh my. See it? Perfect. We're going to put that in the pan. They're going to be some happy eaters with these ribs. Okay, I'm going to get the rest of these cut up, put in the pan, and then that's it. These ribs are delicious. I'm sure that somebody probably noticed that I said that I was going to spritz them. partway through. I went out and checked them. They didn't need any spritzing. They were still all nice and juicy looking. I gotta tell you, man, these are awesome. Okay, beef back ribs. You get a chance to grab you some of these, smoke them up, and I know you'll enjoy them. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you on the next video. Yeah, those are beautiful. All cut up and ready to take on the road. Man, beautiful.